Good morning, guys. Welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. Hold on just a second. Sorry about that. I didn't want to trip on the porch trying to grab the watering can. You know, I have to hand water these watermelon and the zucchini. And I'm going to be gone most of the day, so I want to make sure they all get a good drink of water. There's a volunteer something right there. So today when I'm filming this, it's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to everyone who's a mother. And I know for those that aren't, for whatever reason, by choice or circumstance, I hope this day that you find some peace and joy in it without being overwhelmed by all the Mother's Day stuff being out there. And for those that have a mom that you get along with, be sure to tell her and spend some time with her. Maybe for the moms you don't get along with, maybe you can try to remember something fun about your childhood that will just kind of help you through it. And those that have lost their moms, like I have, again, try to remember good memories if you have them, and try to not remember bad ones on today. So there's my little public service announcement as I water these plants. But yeah, I'm just getting some chores done real quick before getting dressed and head out to church, and then spend day with my kiddos and maybe some of my granddaughters. But anyways, let me get this put up and then I'll go out to the garden. Hold on. The star jasmine is starting to bloom. Absolutely glorious smell for those that like it. Oh, bumblebee, sorry. Man, that was a big one. Whoa. And the salvia. Oh, goodness sakes. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I had to spend a few minutes the other evening tying up the branches that are new and finally long enough to get woven up through. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to disturb any bees, but yeah, I just need to do stuff like this and tie it up. But the verbena, that's the only place I like this plant, and it's, look at how tall it is. It's taller than the shed. That, I think I'm going to trim back that section right there, though. Gypsy. And just because it's kind of wild and crazy over there, and there's some morning glory in there. But just to have some potted plants, I need to, some of them I have to keep alive until next year. These are photinias, so I need to keep those alive. And then, look at that bumblebee. Look at that. See if I can zoom in. Nope. I don't know where he went. But that's that salvia that I pruned back really hard. It is loving it. Oh, here it comes. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. That is a huge bumblebee. Okay, I'm going to zoom back out. Anyways, this salvia is just nuts. It's a different salvia. It's a kind of resembles and smells like sage, but it's called Allen Chickering salvia. Sorry, my allergies. I haven't taken my allergy medicine this morning, but yeah, this is crazy overgrown. But back to the plants. I have some pepper plants. I have marigolds, zinnias. That's a wire vine. So yeah, everything's doing really good. The bad part is the heat. We are getting into the heat so fast right now. It's just it's just crazy. I think yesterday was 90, and my potato plants, I thought I killed them last night, so they got an extra drink of water last night because I thought I killed them. But yeah, so now it's just going to be keeping everything hydrated. We're supposed to be 100 degrees Fahrenheit on this coming Wednesday, so I'm going to put this video out on Monday. So yeah, on Wednesday it's supposed to be 100 here. But so it's just trying to keep things green. I had a little area set out. Last night I was trying to watch the northern lights, and Because I knew they were there, I could kind of see, I mean, everyone's pictures are amazing, but I mean, and I have a friend that lives about an hour and a half north of me, and her pictures were gorgeous, but if I didn't know what they were, I would have just thought it was the glow from the town that's next to us, about 20 miles away. But there was some like variances in the glow. So, I mean, I sat out here way later than I usually do. But it was nice, and it was a breeze, and I had the cat and had a couple adult beverages, and a citronella candle because the mosquitoes are out. But yeah, just trying to keep everything watered. And so let me take you into the potager here. I need to start deadheading on this before I get a carpet of rose petals that I don't want. So I think tomorrow morning I'm going to come out and spend a couple hours. I'm going to probably get all of these irises deadheaded and what needs to be deadheaded off of here, and then it'll just have to be as needed as stuff starting back, because it bloomed all in different stages. It's just still crazy how it transitions from this pale creamy white to there's some blush pink, there's blush pink, and then it just turns into these different shades of cream, and blush pink is just beautiful. But when I'm doing that, I'll wear my gauntlet gloves and get everything tied up, because you see all this stuff that's sagging, it's technically not tied up, or the wind blew it out from being nestled in there. So see that gap right there. And let's see. Okay. I also have to be careful this time of year because of rattlesnakes. So, okay, the potatoes have bounced back. I'm glad, because last night I came out here and they were all wilted. And I thought, well, they didn't flower, so I know that it's not time to harvest them, because that's not for a couple more weeks. But they just needed a drink of water. So see, this one kind of suffered a little bit. So I gave them an extra drink of water last night. I need to pull a weed in there. And yeah, so luckily I think I saved them and didn't do too much damage. But, and then parsley starting to flower. Oh, and I forgot to switch over that water. Hold on just a second. I have everything on timers, but some of it is I have to switch over so that other things get watered also. So see, this one right here is on a splitter, so I just have to do that and do that. And I was supposed to do that last night, so I'm going to give it all a drink of water really quick. Hold on. I don't think I have anything else going. I'm going to give it a good drink of water because it's supposed to be hot today. But the bees and bumblebees, look at that bumblebee still. The pollinators are loving the sage in bloom. Yeah, I'm not even going to walk that way. I need to get more stakes today, not for these tomatoes, but for the tomatoes over there. And this is also a good time for me to see the drip system. This I need to get T-post, small T-post, and get those driven around so we can't even walk through here. We have to walk all the way around. Yeah, see, I need to fix this emitter. Hold on. I can't do that. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it's not touching any of the leaves on the tomato, so I think we'll be good there. But I started pulling some onions last night because the tops were lopped over. Let's see if there's a good example. This video is going to be kind of all over the place, but see, I don't see any. I think I pulled. Yeah, see there, that one right there. The neck I can tell is soft. So I've been just pulling them because I need to get peppers in, and I'll just use. I mean, there's some of them that are really good size, so those will be nice. But yeah, see this red onion? That is huge. I mean, look at that. So I'm going to get those pulled this evening and then pick up some amendments because onions are heavy feeders. pull or get some amendments on here, and then get my pepper plants put in here, and I think we'll be okay. Weeds aren't too bad. Yeah, weeds aren't too bad. And let's see. These are on drip, so that'll be okay. These are almost dry enough to harvest them. Yeah, they're almost ready to where I can save these. These are those broccoli seeds. So I'll find out if I missed any when I have broccoli start sprouting down there. I didn't get these healed up just with winds and rains and projects. So what potatoes I get out of this bed is what I get. But these are the tomatoes that I need to get staked up before they start flopping over. See, that one's already starting to flop over right there. And I need to get the chickens their food and check their water before I get ready to head out. And see, I'm just checking on stuff real quick here. Again, I'm watching my footing because snakes. But I need to get that weed eated tonight. Get this glorious thing deadheaded also. Look at that. Get it tied up. But yeah, I just need to get out here and get weed eating tonight. Oh, get some stuff planted for sure. And I think I lost a lot of plants yesterday in the heat. See, I lost my celery plants. Those were the transplants. So I have more out there. I think I'm just going to leave those out there because trying to keep them alive. I did lose a couple of my pepper plants in here. They're not looking too happy with me, but that's all I have left really. I've been giving away plants because I'm not going to use them and trying to keep them alive so that way they don't die. But and then I have a screen door that I put to go on here. It's right there. So yeah, it's already 88. Well, between 80 and 88. So with 84 is the difference. Yeah, I've been pulling the chair out so we can enjoy things at nighttime. But anyways, that's kind of where we're at. Oh, hummingbird on the salvia. Oh, let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, right there. Look at her. Oh, I just love it. And they trust me, so they hang out really close. They don't feel threatened at all. So awesome. I need to fill their feeders tonight too, but I mean, really, I shouldn't because they have so many plants to... Oh, look at her. It's like a yellow or chartreuse speckle on her back. So pretty. But yeah, they have so many flowers they can eat off of right now. So anyways, the hollyhocks are doing okay. I knew they would once I started watering this bed. Oop, let me zoom back out here. Once I started watering this bed, it waters all of this in here. So I don't have to run water to these things. So anyways, that's where we're at. Oh, I need to turn the water on here too. See, that's another thing is I have to divide the water source because I only have so many splitters. This is the water to the cottage garden. So I have these valves. So to water the cottage garden, I turn that valve on and I turn that one off. But I'll wait till this is done running and then I'll run that one for 15 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and I need to get the girls some food. Yes, you're loud. Goodness. Oop, that sunflower's getting ready to open all the way. Pretty. Got some blooms on the green beans. I'm liking that. Oop, those pole beans are starting to get some tendrils, so I like that too. I think they like the heat, so I have a couple weeds, but that's no big deal. That I can handle. And I think I lost... Oh, look at these hollyhocks, you guys. Sorry, I keep squirreling, but there's so many gorgeous things. I think I lost that one to gophers. I don't know. But see how hollyhocks, like most plants, they kind of curve and form up. So I need to stake that one up or prop it up. But this provides so much shade for the chickens. And there's a lot of ryegrass or needlegrass in there, but I'm not getting back there. That's also snake waiting to happen. But I can tell the voles or the gophers have gotten a lot of the hollyhocks just because of the dead. See, there's a dead one right there. You can also tell, sorry, I'm watching my footing. There's a dead one right here. See how it's all looped over? Yep, so I'll just get those pulled out, and I just toss them over the edge of the cliff. But yep, I need to get some water to the chickens and get their food. But here's the Litchfield Angel Roses. That's soft, almost like a buttery yellow. So pretty. But yep, can't even walk through there, so I need to work on that. And let's see, status on the lemon tree. There's some that it's kept, but it did drop a lot of blossoms. I hope it keeps at least a handful. I see some on there, but yeah, so pretty. Anyways, guys, that's where we're at. I'll try to do a little video when I show that I'm staking this up, but oops, I got bugs everywhere. All right, guys, the chickens are needing water and some food, so I got to get after that. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, always be kind and do what makes you happy. Bye, guys.